Hello guys, this is Jay, and welcome to my life journey. So this is going to be a special episode. This one's going to be about my dog Sugar. I originally found Sugar a week before my birthday. I want to say roughly around the 20th of January of 2025. When I found her, it was when I was driving along the bayou, right along the Natchez River. It was mostly marsh, but I mean there was enough traffic for. It was a pretty populated place, I would say. I mean, people going out in and out every day. They either go crabbing, hang out there, or go fishing. And when I was driving along down the road, I noticed I saw a dog for the first time. She didn't have a collar, anything like that. And so when I was driving along, I noticed she turned around and she started following my way. And I hopped out of the vehicle and just kind of stand there. I was like, all right, if the dog comes up to me, it must mean that that's looking for somebody. And she did. Of course, she seemed pretty nervous and scared at first to see me. I was a new person to her. But then, and I wasn't originally going to keep her. I was actually looking for her a new home at the time. Of course, I looked everywhere asking people if this belonged to somebody or if a person wanted to keep the dog. And over time, I eventually grew attached to this dog. She's a very fun, playful, and very sweet dog. And to my surprise, she gets along with all the other dogs. I just wish she was fixed. But I'm going to get all that fixed real soon. And before I left on my journey, I was debating on whether or not to keep her or not, or have somebody look after her. But there was this strong heart feeling that told me, no, you have to take the dog with you. You are her responsibility from now on. And I'm glad I made that choice. Because on my journey, if it wasn't for Sugar, I wouldn't even made the connections that I made, especially in California. And when I made that job, when I got the job in Wyoming, she definitely deserves a lot of love and a lot of respect. Though I didn't want my channel to be revolved around my dog. I felt like I lost some subscribers because I haven't been posting a lot about my dog. But I don't really, again, want to focus on a YouTube channel around the dog. I really want to do things the hard way and focus on my life journey. Of course, I guess it's Sugar and I's life journey. And the reason why I didn't really want to revolve around her or have these videos revolved around her, it's because like most dogs, they don't live for a long time. No, I mean, I love the dog to death, but I mean, that's the one dark truth I learned growing up as a kid, having dogs come and go. But I am gonna continue having videos with her, just not solely revolved around her. I have to say she's probably the best partner I could ever ask for. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment down below, tell me what you thought about this vlog. Subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more of my content. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye for now.